Succulent and Cactus Care Tips. Succulents and cacti are often called the plants of patience, because they grow slowly, quietly storing life in their thick leaves and stems. They are ideal for busy people, as they require very little care but reward you with striking beauty and unique shapes. The first rule of keeping succulents and cacti healthy is to avoid overwatering. Their roots rot easily if kept wet, so always let the soil dry before watering again. A pot with drainage holes and a sandy, well-draining soil mix is essential for their survival. Place them in bright sunlight, as most succulents love warmth and light, though a few varieties can adapt to partial shade. During their growing season, a little fertilizer can encourage strong growth, but only in moderation. Pruning dead leaves and repotting when roots outgrow the container also helps them stay fresh and lively. Cacti, with their thorns, and succulents, with their fleshy leaves, are both resilient and graceful, adding character to any space. They remind us that survival is possible even in the harshest conditions, as long as balance and care are maintained. With just a little attention, succulents and cacti will reward you with years of beauty, becoming living sculptures in your garden or home.